end of this lesson, you will be able to create a slightly more complex requisition than what we've done in the first example. We want to buy a file server from Dell Corporation. So I'll go through the steps that we covered already. In the requisition entry screen, we will put in the supplier. We'll search for Dell, Dell computer. Our work order is DF01. Our delivery address is still Angel Street. And our delivery description, as before, goods, inwards, officer, John, and then the person who has requested these goods, myself, on the 5th. Right, so crucially what we want to do here is identify the product. We can search on just on text, and I'm searching for the word server. It's a file server, so it brings up a product code of KG, and there's just one match for that, so I'll accept that. Quantity, we buy one of these, and then the price. There is no price, of course, because that will be the price that you've agreed with Dell and you've received a quote on. The price that we're going for here is that amount. And we look at the detailed information. In order to explain what this product is and the details of it, the technical specification of it, we do need to enter in under detailed information in the product text box what this server is about. So this is a Dell Optiplex XDE 345 rack server. And you can add additional information, quote, attached with further details. Right, that concludes that part of it. So we've entered in the details, the product text, we've explained what it is, we've given it a value. We now need to attach the documentation, and that is the quote. If the value of the goods is greater than 5,000, we would need to attach 3 quotes. But in this instance, we just need to attach one single quote. So by clicking on the attach documents, I can then click on add existing document, choose the file, and search for the quote which I have received by email. And there it is. Click on choose. We can give additional information here, explaining what this document is. Quotation for server, and then by clicking OK, we're uploading that quotation to the system. If we close this tab, we're back to the screen, and we're pretty much finished at this stage. We can do things like the funds check as we did before. That's okay. We can see a green tick mark, and we can look at the tax cert compliance, and that's also successful. So we're finished there. That concludes that lesson on just how we would ensure that if we're picking a product that is not a contract product and typically would have 2 letters or 3 letters, we would need to enter in the product text in this area of the screen. That concludes this short lesson on how to enter a non-contract product into